So it rained last night and I'm taking advantage of the rain to go and put some plants in the ground at my allotment. In here I have some okra, bell peppers, scotch bonnet. I'm going to try to plant some of those today, and some more corn. Here's my hole. I'm working on an egg mound, as you can see. So I'm getting the soil from over here and then putting that over here. I'm gonna get some from here and put over there and make a bed or an egg mound, and then I'll make another one over here. And with this tool, this hole right here, it makes it fun. Actually, it makes it fun. As you can see, the soil is quite good. The soil is quite good once I take off this weed cover, and it's very easy. And the fact that it rains too just makes it really nice. Look at what I was able to do, guys. I am so proud of myself. Do you see these two ndubis, as we refer to them? These are earth mounds. I made two. Oh my goodness, the soil is quite good. Once I get past the weed landscape barrier, the landscape weed barrier, whatever that is. Once I got past that, it got easy. On second thought, I'm going to plant corn. I'm going to plant the corn over there. I'm going to plant more corn. This is the north. This is where I earmarked the corn. So that's what is going over there. So I decided to plant the okra over here, like right on the outskirts. So there's gonna be a line of okra all over here, all the way to the end, and probably around over there as well, so that it's easy to access and harvest. So I'm just making holes in the ground and putting some of that chicken compost from over there, that pile, mixing everything in, and then just transplanting the okra. Yeah, I'm happy with this plant. That was a snake. I swear to God, that was a tiny snake. I saw it. All right, I really have to be careful. That compost pile has snakes. I saw a tiny snake. I saw it. Where did it go? I think I'm gonna go home now. I'm not about to do snakes. I saw the snake. I'm pretty sure I saw a snake. I saw a tiny baby snake that came with that compost, that chicken compost. I think I'm just gonna have to go home now. My own farm for today on correct. We're done for the day. I managed to plant some corn, some baby okra before I saw the baby snake.